Welcome back to our TV channel. I'm still working on the series on a range of cakes, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make coconut cake. I'm going to use the creamy method. I'll pop the margarine into the bowl, throw in the sugar and mix for about 3 to 5 minutes until creamy and fluffy. Spread down the cake mixture from the sides of the bowl for even mixing. Preheat the oven to about 180 degrees. Preheat means just to turn it on before you start the cake to get it ready and to the correct temperature. I've got 200 grams of eggs. That's about 4 eggs, an average of 50 grams per egg. Whisk the egg. I'm going to flavor with a teaspoon of vanilla. You can use any flavoring of your choice. Strain the egg into the mixture on slow speed. I've got the flour and I'm adding 75 or up to 100 grams of coconut, desiccated coconut. And I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon for flavoring. You can use any spice of your choice. And half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix the dry ingredients and pour into the cake mixture. Pour the cake batter into the greased cake tin, scraping down all the mixture. Level up using a spatula. Bake the cake at about 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. Depending on your oven, some ovens are very hot, you may bake on 150. That is ready and out of the oven. The top bit should be nice and spongy. And to loosen it from the cake tin, cool it for a few minutes, and then using a clean knife, pry around the corners of the cake tin. Place the cake on top of the cake wire to cool down. To serve the cake, you can decorate it with icing, sugar, royal butter icing, royal icing, or any topping of your choice. But I'm just gonna serve it plain. So have a little portion and place onto a plate and serve with a fork. You can see the sponginess of the cake. Nice and yummy. Enjoy.